Hello, doctor.
Hi.
How do you actually measure fertility with a score out of 10 for each key factor? First will be age.
So age is the strongest factor. Under 35, the fertility scoring would be almost around 9 by 10. Between 35 to 40, I would score it around to 6 by 10. And after 40, it would definitely fall and I would score it around to 3 by 10. That is why timing matters a lot.
Second, ovarian reserve.
Ovarian reserve is a measure of number of eggs remaining in your body. It can be detected or measured via two tests there, AMH and AFC count. AMH is a blood test, anti-Mullerian hormone, and antral follicle count is a scan through which we can detect the number of eggs in your ovaries. So when you compare AMH with AFC, the most reliable indicator I can say it is definitely antral follicle count scan, and then I would score it out to around 8 by 10.
Third, egg quality.
So egg quality, unlike quantity, quality is very difficult to measure. So in any fertility treatment or in any IVF process, I think age plays a very important role. So lesser the age, better is the quality of the egg. And yes, I would rate it around to 9 by 10.
Fourth, sperm health.
Yes, sperm equally attributes to the egg for pregnancy. And when we look for the sperm health, yes, we look for the count, motility and morphology. When all of these factors are normal, we say that, the sperm health is important. Again, like how we see in women, we also see the age in men's fertility. Lesser the age, better is the sperm health because the DNA damage would be less. I would like to score with the sperm health as 9 by 10, again like an egg quality.
Fifth, tubal and uterine health.
Open healthy tubes and receptive endometrium. They open up a very good environment for pregnancy. I think good tubal patency with receptive endometrium, yes, 9 by 10 again.
Sixth, lifestyle.
Yes, lifestyle habits matter a lot. So healthy weight, no smoking, limited alcohol, good sleep and good habits. Of course, I would rate it around to 8 by 10 because all these habits are under your control. So remember, no single factor defines fertility. So it's always the combination of egg, sperm, tubes, uterus and lifestyle. That's why before suggesting any treatment, we would like to evaluate both the partners. This is Dr. Pratyusha, fertility consultant at 9M Fertility by Ankura Hospitals, LB Nagar. Thank you.